really old, rude packaged air conditioner.
Oh yeah, this thing's definitely not been usable in a hot minute.
Not far from the coast in Florida. That's something you don't see every day. A unit this old, not far from the beach.
Price was probably in that. That's probably what section right there. And this is just
What an interesting setup. It's just like a normal, rude central unit with this blower compartment attached to it. Rust has gotten to it, which is no surprise considering where it's at. The coils.
You kind of see a recip in there.
Down in there. Try to get a view in there.
Very interesting.
Oh, the duct came off. Well, it didn't come off, but they used some cheap transition and it's ripped. Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, that thing hasn't run in freaking a long time. The transition they used from the duct work over there is ripped, and there's a bunch of pine straw in the unit. So you know that thing hasn't ran in probably over 10 years. So
very interesting with these package units, how it looks.
it's literally just a residential split. Yeah, it's just a residential split. It's just a residential split unit with a freaking blower compartment stuck on the end of it. It's definitely an interesting design. All right, here we have a really old commercial air conditioner of some sort.
It does strike me as a price. It's maybe a Chrysler product, but I don't know.
It's R22, whatever it is. To me, I feel like it's probably either a Chrysler or a York.
I can see that. This is the line sets back there. Line set, a bunch of wasps. This is where our compressor is in here, I think. I think that's the compressor.
The coils are pretty rotten, as expected. This is not that far from the beach. So it's actually impressive it's still here, although I doubt it works. And then over here, we have a, looks like a Tran or a GE commercial unit. And what is this, a Tran or a GE? Man, it's rusted out.
Sight glass over there.
No, this one right there that goes into this one.
I wonder if that pad over there, there used to be another unit that got snipped or something.
I'm guessing it's
Data's faded. Sight glass.
Old filter crack.
The old catch-all.
This is a train that's definitely made after 1983.
Alright. Alright, we've got some more vintage air conditioners here. We have an old, looks like a Carrier 38CK. And good luck changing that fan motor. Wow, look at that.
Oh, that's got a recip in it.
The nuts literally rusted into basically nothing.
Yeah, that's a AB. I'm sorry, I'd imagine.
Oh wow.
Console, right? 1993 3-ton
AV.
It's a YCA.
YCA. That's a heat pump. Oh, it is a heat pump.
I didn't even notice it.
It is a heat pump. It is a 1993, made in the 19th week of 1993, 38 YCA, 3-ton.
What's the surprise about the
And the thermostat wires are cut. It's actually in decent shape for being like right on the beach, not too far. Old original fan motor. And there's a new root here. That aside, we got some really, really old window units here, or PTACs or wall units, whatever you want to call them. Regardless, these are really old, ancient Carriers. Oh, whoa, wait, is that a reversing valve? Am I going insane, or is that a reversing valve? And then these, wow, this is GE made?
Definitely, look at that spine fin.
Now this, you know it's bad when the spine fin coil is rotting away. Plastics. Now this is old. I couldn't even begin to estimate how old that is. I just know that's ancient. And then here's a, what is this, another one? This one has the cover on it. Yeah. Another one of those with the cover on it. Wow, that's something else. All right, well, guess I'm gonna get some pictures, and then we'll be on our way. See you guys next one. Hey everybody, here I have a really old Carrier round one running. 83?
Yeah. For some reason, the air's coming out the side, not the top.
See her again cold here. Oh, she's flat.
I doubt it. It could just be hot inside. I mean, it's putting out a little bit of warmth.
That's not really my deep.
Remember, it's real hot inside. It's not going to be as cold over there. Never know. Or the compressor's not running. No, it's not. I don't think it is.
Might be out on overload.
I'm not going to speculate. It could be so many things. All right. See you guys next.